So guys, welcome now. Please, before you go, I want you to subscribe, like and share. And now you can see our prediction on our US to our euro for this, for on the 7th for today. So as you can see that, as I predicted, if you watch my video previously, I did a weekly analysis, and in my euro USD I predicted that our euro will be falling. Guess what? We had a 4 on Sunday. We also had that 4, which is today on Monday. Now, our prediction for tomorrow is that we will still be having a 4 again. We are aiming to get a 4 because our US index, tomorrow, which will be on the 7th, will actually be going up. We'll be going bullish on our US index. So any pair related should actually be falling. Now we are on our euro. As you can see, we are aiming for a 4 at least to this our area here to opt out, probably, and probably then after that we will get a retracement, then actually a 4 on our euro USD that I'm saying. Now let's go to our 4-hour time frame to get it clearly. Now we can see on our 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we can see that our price is reacting here. We can see that our price is reacting here. So we are definitely waiting for a breakout downward, right? But before that, we will be aiming to take our take profits here, because at this area here we will be seeing a retracement. Definitely we will be seeing a 4 on the 7th. That should be giving us, if you have to take your trade now, if you watch it, just that should be giving you about 74 pips to grab on your euro US, that if you should take your sell position. So take your sell position. We are going bearish the next day, which is on the 7th on our euro USD, then a retracement. After a retracement, then we will be waiting for a breakout below and continue downward. Or we might see like a range market here. Above all, this week, before the end of this week, we should see a breakout below it and continue down. So our euro USD on the 7th is actually bearish. So let's plan to take our bearish move. Same thing with our 1-hour time frame. As you can see, 1-hour time frame, we are still planning to go bearish. So we are seeing something like a retracement here. So we are just about to go break below this our previous candle week and continue bearish move. So thank you. That is my analysis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.